Setting up your Spectrum Xumo Stream box is quick and easy. First, connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the back of the Xumo Stream box, and then to an available HDMI input on your TV. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI source. For optimal performance and 4K HDR support, using an HDMI 2.0 or higher port is recommended. Next, plug the USB-C power adapter into a wall outlet and connect the cable to the power port on the Stream box. The device uses a standard 5 volts or 2 nH adapter. Once both HDMI and power are connected, the box will power on automatically. Ensure the power outlet is stable and supports auto sleep mode for energy conservation. During the initial boot up, the Xumo Stream box will scan for available networks. Select your Spectrum or compatible Wi-Fi network supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. For the most stable connection, position the Xumo Stream box near your router. The device supports WPA3 security for enhanced protection. A minimum internet speed of 25 Mbps is required for 4K streaming. Test your connection in the device's settings menu if you encounter latency. Alternatively, for a wired connection, you can use a USB-C to Ethernet adapter, sold separately. Once connected, the box will prompt you to link your Spectrum account. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy streaming content.